Hi guys, it's Miss Mayra from the Rogers Public Library. I wanted to stop by and say hi and actually show you guys how to make an easy craft if you guys are bored at home. Okay, so today I made 2 airplanes and they were super easy to make. All you need is 2 craft sticks, and you actually need a smaller craft stick, but I didn't have one, so I just grabbed one of these and I cut it in half and I made a smaller craft stick. You need a clothespin, and then you will need glue. I use tacky glue, but you guys can use Elmer's glue if you guys want. And then you guys will need markers if you're going to use markers, or paint. I used markers for this airplane. Okay, so let me show you guys how to put it together. Mine are actually already colored, but I will show you guys the putting it together part. Okay, so you are going to grab your clothespin and your craft stick, and you are going to try to find the middle part of the craft stick, and you are going to grab your clothespin, that part, and just glue it on. So let me show you guys how to do that. See, I'm going to try to find the middle. And then you have to wait for it to dry. And then you will grab your other craft stick and find the middle. And you are going to glue that on top of the clothespin. You will have to wait for it to dry. Okay, so you will have to wait for it to dry. So be super careful. And then you're going to grab your little craft stick, and you are actually going to glue it towards the back of the clothespin. There you go. Super easy. You will have to wait for it to dry. So after it's all dry, it will look like this. And it's super easy and fun to make. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. And I hope you guys stay safe. Please wash your hands and stay home and stay safe. I miss you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time.